Hello. Welcome to a crash course on Java Part 4. This course has been created by Jaysmito Mukherjee, and the voice is of Microsoft David Desktop English, United States. As already mentioned in the previous video, in this video I am going to help you to choose an IDE. Stay until the end for a bonus tutorial on how to download and set up the IDEs. Please subscribe to the channel for more free courses like this, and like and share this video, as sharing knowledge is great. By the way, one important thing before we proceed: if you feel that this course is good and you would like to check out other parts of this course, or if you haven't seen the previous part about working of Java, please click the link in the top right corner to check the contents of this course. Now to start with, what is an IDE? So the full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So an integrated development environment, IDE, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Basically, in simple terms, an IDE is just a text editor with some special features. Some examples of IDE are NetBeans, BlueJ, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, Sublime Text, VS Code, etc. Here is an interesting thing. After discussing so much about IDE, you might be shocked to know that you actually don't need an IDE to write programs, but having an IDE makes it easier and a lot faster. You can write programs in any text editor, even in Notepad and LeafPad. So after that, you may ask, why the heck do you need an IDE? It provides an easy interface to write and edit a program. It provides many tools like auto finish. It usually has a debugger, which makes debugging a lot easier. It has features like syntax highlighting, which makes reviewing large pieces of code easier. Some IDEs have a great feature, that is auto-saving, which at many times prevents losing important code. It makes code more readable by auto-indenting the code. Now, some popular IDEs for Java are IntelliJ IDEA, BlueJ, Sublime Text, Eclipse, NetBeans. So you may ask, which IDE is the best? So, after checking so many IDE for Java, you might be confused, but no worries. So for beginners, I would recommend BlueJ as the best IDE. And as you progress, you should go to IntelliJ Ultimate Edition. But it's too expensive. So you could go for IntelliJ Community Edition, but it does not have many features. Here you can check the difference in features of Community Edition and Ultimate Edition. So if you do not have money, then you can go for Eclipse, as it's totally free and has all features. For Sublime Text, it's a lightweight IDE but not too good for proper coding. By the way, for this course I will use BlueJ and IntelliJ Community Edition. Now a bonus. I am going to show you how to download and set up all the 5 IDE previously mentioned. For this, first, we need to open a web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser. So, first on our list we have IntelliJ IDEA. So for this, type in IntelliJ IDEA in the search bar. Then just click on the first link of jetbrains.com. So, this is the website. From here you can buy the ultimate version or get the community edition. This is an multi-purpose IDE, please give it a try. Now let's check the some of its features. First we have Smart Code Completion. While the basic completion suggests names of classes, methods, fields, and keywords within the visibility scope, the Smart Completion suggests only those types that are expected in the current context. Then we have Framework-Specific Assistance. While IntelliJ IDEA is an IDE for Java, it also understands and provides intelligent coding assistance for a large variety of other languages such as SQL, JPQL, HTML, JavaScript, etc., even if the language expression is injected into a string literal in your Java code. Then Productivity Boosters. The IDE predicts your needs and automates the tedious and repetitive development tasks, so you can stay focused on the big picture. Then Developer Ergonomics. In every design and implementation decision that we make, we keep in mind the risk of interrupting the developer's flow and do our best to eliminate or minimize it. The IDE follows your context and brings up the corresponding tools automatically. Then Unobtrusive Intelligence. The coding assistance in IntelliJ IDEA is not about only the editor, it helps you stay productive when dealing with other aspects as well, e.g. filling a field, searching over a list of elements, accessing a tool window, or toggling a setting, etc. Then there are built-in tools and supported frameworks. The built-in tools are Build Tools, Version Control, HTTP Client, Profiling Tools, Decompiler, Coverage, Database Tools or SQL. Then there is support for JVM languages like Java, Scala, Groovy, Kotlin. Then there is support for enterprise frameworks like Spring, Java EE, Micronaut, Quarkus, Helidon, Play2, Grails. Then you can do mobile development. Android, React Native, Cordova, Ionic. Then you can do web development. JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML and CSS, Node.js, Angular, React, Vue.js. Then there are some new features like Enhanced Performance. Benefit from major performance improvements. IntelliJ IDEA 2019.3 brings faster startup, better UI responsiveness, and more. Then usability improvements. Discover simplified VCS workflows, installation of theme and key map plugins without restarting the IDE, and automatic configuration for imported Maven or SBT projects. Then support for microservices frameworks. Enjoy full coding assistance, navigation, inspections, and other goodies for Micronaut, Quarkus, and Helidon. Now you can click Buy to get Ultimate Edition. The version for organizations is too costly, like $499 yearly and $49.900 monthly. Then for individual use we can see that it's a little affordable for moneyed people, like $149 yearly and $14.90 monthly. You can also check for special offers. Now for this course I am going to download Community Edition, which is free and open source. Now select .exe and not .zip and click download. File will start downloading shortly, please wait. Now on opening the installer we get this type of an interface. It says Welcome to IntelliJ Community Edition Setup. The instructions are setup will guide you through the installation if the software. It also recommends to close all other running applications before starting setup. It will make it possible to update relevant system files without a reboot. Click Next to continue. I have already an old version installed, so I am stopping here. You can continue by following the on-screen instructions. Second on our list we have IntelliJ. Here to type IntelliJ in the search bar and hit enter. Then click on the first link. So this is the website. Now, as you can see, there are many versions, for various operating systems. Choose according to your operating system. Here I am going to go with Windows. Here it is just click there and it starts downloading. Once downloaded, run the installer. This will be the interface. It says welcome to the IntelliJ setup wizard. It says that the setup wizard allows you to change the way IntelliJ features are installed on your computer or to remove it. Click Next to continue. Here I have it already installed in my computer, but you can easily follow the on-screen instructions and successfully install it on your computer. Next on our list we have Sublime Text. For this too, just type Sublime Text in the search bar. Then hit enter. Then click on the first link. So, this is the website. You can read some of the features of Sublime Text. Now just click on the button to download. Once downloaded, run the installer. This will be the interface. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. It's done. Next on our list we have Eclipse. Here to type Eclipse in the search bar. Then hit enter. Then click the first link. This is the website. You can read some of its features. So here you will get the latest version of Eclipse. Now click on Download 64-bit. Then again click on Download. It will start downloading shortly. Now, as Eclipse is an open source, free software, you can donate starting from $5 to $100. Then run the downloaded installer. It will look like this. It requires internet connection. It will download and install Eclipse. Next on our list we have NetBeans. Here too just type NetBeans in the search bar and hit enter. Now just click the first link. So, this is the website. Now you can read its features. Now click on the download button. Here there are many versions. We will download the latest version, that is 11.3. Here click on the Apache NetBeans 11.3 bin Windows x64.exe. Now click on the link under HTTP. Once downloaded, you can run the installer and you can easily install NetBeans by following on-screen instructions. Now an important announcement from the next video: we are going to get into real programming, as we would start to cover the fundamental concepts. So please stay updated on this course and never miss a video, otherwise you will face confusions. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask it in the comments sections, you will be surely answered within a day. Please subscribe to the channel for all updates on this course. If you have any problems with this course, please write in the comments section. Like this video, and if you feel something is wrong, feel free to write in the comments and dislike the video. Thank you for watching this video.